Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to add authentication using the Vue.js. So we will use Laravel Breeze to set up the Vue.js. So let's get started with the example. So you can see here I already downloaded Laravel Fresh application and set up the database as well. So now if I go, you can see that I already run the Laravel project. And now if I go here under the getting started, there is the starter kits. So you can see that there will be a step where install the Laravel Breeze. So let me go here, and there is a composer require command to install Laravel Breeze. So let me go here into the terminal, and now let me install it using the composer command. So I will say composer require Laravel slash Breeze and hit enter. It will download Laravel Breeze. Okay, so let's wait a moment to download. Okay, it's downloaded. Let me clear it. Okay, now if I go here into the scroll down, there is a command Laravel Breeze install where you can install Laravel Breeze with the Vue.js. So let me go here and run that command. So I will say php artisan and I will say breeze colon install and hit enter. It will ask you which stack you want to use it. So you can see that there is a blad file with the Alpine, Livewire, React.js, Vue.js and API only. So we want to set up with the Vue.js. So simply I will choose the Vue.js with the inertia. So let me hit enter, and you can see that you want to support the dark mode. Yes, I want. So then you can see that it will ask you like which testing framework do you want to prefer. So I will use PHP unit. So hit enter, and you can see that it will download the composer package, and also it will install npm dependencies. So let's wait a moment to download that one. Okay, now it's installed and built it the js and css file as well. Okay, so now if I go here you can see that there is a next command to run the migration. I already run, but let me run it again. So let me clear it and say php artisan migrate. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, now you can see that Laravel Breeze install we did, so we don't need to like npm install and npm run this separately. So now if I go here into the folder, okay, and there is a routes, you can see that they already added auth route file, and over there they register login, forgot password, all the routes define over here. And the same thing if I go to the controller, you can see that there is a auth folder they added, and with that you can see that they defined all the things like register user and verify email and password reset. So all the controller file they set up, and according to the name you will identify which things this doing this controller. And if you go to the resources and js, there will be a setup of the Vue.js. Okay, you can see that they set up the page for the dashboard and for the profile edit, and you can see delete and all the things. You can see that same thing for the login, registration and all the files, so you can easily customization as well. So let me run and let's check the example. Okay, so let me go here and let me run the application php artisan sir. Okay, now if I go here and hit refresh, you can see that they added login and register over here. So when I click on register, you can see that I will register with the test user. So I will say test at the rate gmail.com 1234567 8. Okay, so 1234567. Okay, and hit register. You can see that it will be a perfect dashboard and with the your login message. And then you can see there is a profile page as well. When I click on it, you can see that profile information and update password and the delete account. When I click on it, you can see that pop up as well. Okay, so all the things done by the Vue.js and inertia. Okay, so you can see that there's a Vue.js, so you can easily customization as well. So let me go here and also let me log out, and let me show you the login page as well. You can see that this is login page, and if I click on forgot password, you can also forgot password to adding your email and send an email with the reset password link. Okay, so let me log in. Okay, with the test user what we created. So let me 6 and 7 8 9 and click on login. You can see that login. So this is the very basic setup of the Vue.js, and you can also customization what I explain over here. Okay, so this is for the starting, then you can later add some more modules on it. So I hope guys this video helps you. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe me. Thank you so much for watching.